My dear 10th students, in the last class already studied about the 4 methods of pair of linear equation in 2 variables. In this class we have to study about what graphical method of solution of a pair of linear equation in 2 variables. So what is the meaning of graphical representation or graphical method? One chart is there. This chart is very important for the examination. Listen carefully and you have to practice this chart. Is it right? So first of all, serial number linear equation in 2 variables. There are how many equations are there? Pair means what? 2. This one and this one. A1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. A2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Here variables xy both having the variables xy, but the coefficients is different. Here a1 is there, here a2 is there, b1, b2 is there, c1 and c2 is there. So what is the meaning of this ratio, graphical representation and solutions? I will take one example, pair of one example, just you have to observe. So example number 1 is 2 or 4x plus 6y plus 4 plus 16 is equal to 0. Okay. Next one is 8x plus 12y plus 7 is equal to 0. So this is one example. Just you have to observe first one. There are 2 equations are there, pair of equations. Okay. Just you have to observe ratio of coefficients. So we have to observe always the coefficients, not the variables. So coefficient here 4, 6, 8, 12 and the constant 16 and 7. So from this a1 is equal to for first equation a1 is equal to 4, b1 is equal to 6, c1 is equal to 16. Is it right? Here a2 is equal to 8, b2 is equal to 12, c2 is equal to what? 7. Okay. So a1, a2, b1, b2, c1 and c2. Okay. So first of all we have to observe the ratios. a1 by a2, 4 by 8 and b1 by b2, 6 by 12. Okay. And third one 16 by 7. So just you have to cancel each other, simplify it. 4 ones are 2s are, 6 ones are 2s are. So we have to not cancel each other. Okay. The answer is 1 by 2. Here also 1 by 2. Here as it is 16 by 7. So 1 by 2 both are equal to each other, but these are not equals to 1 by 2. 16 by 7 is not equals to, so before the 1 by 2, is it right? It is not equal. Just observe. So this is a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but not equals to c1 by c2. So which one is the correct here? Last one. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. Therefore the graphical representation always parallel lines. So how many solutions are there? No solutions. If the equation becomes, for example, this equation is 9 for example. So here b1 is nothing but what? 9. Just write once again the ratio. a1 by a2 is a1 by a2, b1 by b2. Just write the ratio. What you will get? a1 by a2 4 by 8 and b1 by b2 9 by 12. Both are not equals to each other. 4 by 8 is not equals to 9 by 12. So observe the first equation. a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, and the graphical representation is intersecting line. If we are having this type of equations, there are how many graphical representations are there? There are mainly 3 graphical representations are there. Just so I will draw, then you will come to know easily, very easily. So intersecting lines, then solution. How many solutions are there? Unique solution. What is the meaning of unique solution? Infinitely many solutions, no solutions. So I will draw one graph here. Just observe carefully. Just first of all, this is the graph. Okay. So this is x-axis. The horizontal line is called x-axis. The vertical line is called y-axis. The x-axis is also called abscissa. Y-axis is also called ordinate. Is it right? Abscissa, ordinate. So first of all, x and y. So already we have studied what? The graphical representation is always straight line. Okay. So first, just this is one straight line. Assume that this is the first equation straight line. If the second equation having another straight line, but it is intersecting line, both are intersecting in this point. Then it is possible if the coefficients, the ratio of the coefficients a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then the graphical representation is like this, intersecting line. So, if the graphical representation is intersecting line, then how many solutions are there? There is only one solution, that is unique solution. If you join like this, x is having 1 and y is also 1. X, y, for example, it is 3, 1, 2, 3. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, it is 4. 3, 4 is the only one solution. Is it clear? Yes. If the coefficient a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then the graphical representation is intersecting line. How many solutions are there? There is only one solution. Only one solution. Solution means what? The value of x and y. If the graphical representation is, if the coefficient is in the ratio a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then the graphical representation is coinciding line. Coinciding means what? This is the first line, and for second graph, once again we have to draw like this. So, these are what? Coinciding. Okay. So, one is overlap with another one. The one straight line is overlap with another one, that is called what? Coinciding line. You can take with the value of x here also, y here also. You can take here, 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 here. How many solutions are there? There are infinitely many solutions. You can take so many solutions. Okay. The graphical representation is coinciding, overlap with each other. Okay. How many solutions are there? Therefore, infinitely many solutions. This is what? Second one, that is infinitely many solutions. If the ratio is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2, then the graphical representation is parallel lines. Parallel lines. See here. Parallel lines like this. For example, the first straight line is like this. For another graph, the straight line is always parallel to each other. If these lines are parallel to each other, then it is called what? Solutions. There are no solutions, because those are not intersecting each other. So, we should not take the value of x and y. Therefore, there are no solutions. So, this is the meaning of what? This chart. I will repeat once again in 1 minute. If linear equation, there are mainly two equations are there. If ratio a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then the graphical representation is intersecting line. Solutions, unique solution, only one solution. If the ratio is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, coinciding line overlap with each other, how many solutions are there? Infinitely many solutions. And the last one is, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2, then the lines are parallel to each other. If the lines are parallel to each other, graphical representation is parallel to each other, how many solutions? There are no solutions. So, this is about what? The graphical representation. In the next class, we have to study about the methods of pair of linear equation two variables with examples. Okay? Thank you.